Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be installing this wig from Ft.Incolorwig. Huge shout out and thank you to Ft.Incolorwig for providing today's wig to install plus review for you all. Y'all, this wig installed with perfection. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. So, I had already molded the hair back. I did not pluck it, keep that in mind. So the unit did come like this. I hadn't plucked it at all yet, but I did mold the hair back with my wax stick and my hot comb just to make sure all the hair was out of the way and out of my face, because I knew that I wanted to make sure that I could pull the hair up into a half ponytail today. So I'm going to install this wig glueless, but I am going to use the freeze spray today to hold it in place and make sure it doesn't budge. And I usually just install it putting the freeze spray like over my lace, but if you want to put it under your lace, you can definitely do that. It's up to you how you want to install your wig. So first I'm just going to get it molded into place using that freeze spray and a tad bit of got to be gel on the ends, because you know those ear tab areas, that'd be like the hardest place to get your wig to stay put for some reason. It just never wants to stick over there. I don't know, y'all let me know in the comment section if you deal with that or if you don't, and if you got some tips or tricks that where that don't happen, please let your girl know, because I would love to know. Yeah, so we're just gonna get the wig in place and get this lace cut off. So to get that wig molded in place, I am going to wrap my satin scarf around it. Just kind of holds it in place, molds it, and you know, it just secures it. And while it is doing that, I'm going to work on my curls. Didn't really show the curls on camera because I feel like I curl my hair the same always. I just use a curling wand and just kind of have loose curls. It's my go-to look. I really love how it looks on me, so that's why I always do the curl look. But if you guys want a detailed curling tutorial, let your girl know in the comment section below and I can definitely do that for you. So now all of the hair is curled and ready to go. So now we're going to move back to the lace. I'm taking that satin scarf off. You can see that it is now molded into the skin, very set and put. Now this is the thing, when you use got to be spray, it is going to leave a bit of a cast. So when you cut your lace off, I don't know, it always happens to me. It always leaves that little bit of a white cast, and you can definitely tell where the lace stops. You know, you don't get that melted lace look. But the way I get rid of that is I just go back on top of it with a little bit of freeze spray, that same product, blow dry it down a little bit, and it literally melts right into your skin and you can't even tell where the lace is visible, basically. Invincible. And now our wig is secure, melted, and ready to go for some styling. And of course, you can add your little makeup on there as well if you would like, just to make sure that lace is extra bling. So like I said, I am going to be doing a half up, half down look today. This wig does come with lace base to work with, so you definitely, if you get a lace frontal, you can style your hair up, girl. Style it up how you want. You are not limited to one style. So I'm just going to part my hair basically in a U shape. And I'm going to get that hair nice and molded back with my wax stick, with my hot comb, all of that, and get the hair pulled up into a top ponytail. once I get the hair into place and know how much I want to put up in the ponytail, I'm also going to pull out 2 pieces in the front, just to kind of make it look a little bit playful, still cute. And then I'm going to recurl those pieces in the front because they are going to come out a tad bit straight. So just a little bit of details about the wig. You can find most of the details in my description bar below, as well as a direct link to the wig. But from my personal opinion, y'all, this wig is so nice. The hair is super soft. It was easy to style. I really like that the lace came plucked like it was. I didn't have to pluck it any extra. And then I did end up bleaching the knots on it. That was like the only thing that I had to do, but besides that, no plucking was necessary. The coloring that they did to this hair is really nice. Hair still remains soft. It's big head friendly. Highly recommend this wig if you're looking for something around this color range or this length. Definitely check out Ft.Incolorwig. And like I said, you can find the direct link in my bio below. So we're just adding those last bit of curls where some of the curls might have fallen out. You can also use some type of holding spray if you would like, just to make sure your curls don't fall out throughout the day. But this is just my styling period. But yeah, you guys, this is how it came out afterwards. Very easy process installation. Give you guys a little back view of it as well, so you can see how that hair color looks. It is literally perfect for the fall. I will be rocking this wig for sure. I love it. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, leave me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment as well. Let me know what you guys think about it, or if you're considering trying out this hair. Thank you again, Ft.Incolorwig, for sending over today's units, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.